guys, my name is Hena Sobhani. So my parents gave me the present. So inside is something. So let's check what is inside. We will open it. So funny. Yeah. Now it's open. Wow!
What is it?
Happy.
Oh, slowly. Slowly.
iPad.
What is it?
iPad.
PC tab. That's a PC tab.
PC tape. Oh, what is this?
That is the cover for PC tab. And this one is the protector.
So what is it?
That's the cover. We'll open it later. Okay.
I got the PC tab was open it. The where is the pin? Oh, this one.
This is the PC tab.
Oh, no. Wow, look this.
The PC tab.
PC tab of
It's a Samsung Galaxy
What?
PC tab.
What the?
Yes, we will charge it and then we will make the rest of video. So we have a PC tab. It's a slim design, not very heavy, and very robust design actually. Two speakers from this side and two speakers from this side, and a charging port inside the box. Let's see what are the things. There is a adapter, there is a wire, and there is the booklet, and we have a SIM opener key. So let's charge it first, and then meantime we are going to open this shock-proof protective case.
So my PC tab is up iPad of charging and then now we can open this.
Okay, let's open.
Okay, let's see.
Oh wow! Oh, nice, you know. This is a protector. Okay, it's a pretty soft, pretty soft material, and it's like a stand. We can hold it like that, and there is a like soft rubber material. If you can see, this is like bending. Okay, we need to lock this one first. Yes.
Yes, I need to lock.
So it's a pretty soft material, good for children.
Yeah.
We have a holder here and a handle here. Once it is charged, we will try to fix it and see how does it look.
Yeah. To fix, we will take this iPad, so we keep inside there. Then it can be very easy to fix.
And what is it?
Great job. 10%.
This is a glass protector, screen protector.
Yeah, so we need to do it.
This is a screen protector for the A8 model.
Guys, now my PC tab is 100, charge 100. So now we will open it and see is it charged or not.
And
So we play some game of that won this homeworks.
do the homework and
Do
play.
in the iPads.
Yeah, and play the game.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Switch on. Okay,
Not switching.
you have to keep pressing this button. It's starting. Yes, it's starting.
So we
Can I see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting first time.
Start.
So it's have a switch on and off button here, power button. Then this is the volume button, and there is a SIM slot here. Yes, and there are charging port, two speaker on this side, two speakers on this side, and it's starting. Okay, so it's showing the welcome sign. We will select the language, English language, United Kingdom is okay, and click on the start. Then it says end user license details. We can click on agree to all, and then say agree. Permission for Samsung. For the time being we'll say okay, and then later on we can customize. So it says getting your tablet ready. This may take few minutes.
Sing.
So now it is sign in. It asks the Google account to sign in. So it's almost done.
Yes,
The
it's
setting
on.
up, we just skip the Google account and some other settings of Samsung. Now
What?
this is what it is. We'll just have a look of it. So it's pretty fast. How
Can
is
we
it?
check?
How is
Look,
it?
there's spoons in there.
Yeah, it has a YouTube, it has Gmail, all the Google.
Oh,
It's
they
all
have spoons.
it is preloaded with Netflix, and it has two cameras. One is the front camera. This one 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel on the back. So if you want to test the camera, it's not so excellent, but it's fine. It's like for the PC tab, it's useful, and we can turn into the its front camera. Okay, this is the front camera.
I need to turn.
So just to see the video quality,
Yeah.
we are just trying to search any video which is 8K, or even there is a 12K also. 12K, let's play the 12K, and that is advertised.
Why?
So I just increase the bright to see the picture quality, video quality. This is a 12K video.
Like what he's eating. Look this color on this. Why I do it? Now look this one. What? It could be.
So this is on the full resolution, full quality. Looks pretty nice. So after checking the video quality, this is now in the cover. This is how it looks. It's a pretty good deal. We ordered from the Noon in UAE. The price was excellent. It was on offer price, and for the kids doing homework or attending the school online, this can be very useful for them. Thank you for watching.